Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to stop Viber from automatically saving media to your phone gallery. If you find your phone cluttered with photos and videos from Viber chats, this tutorial will help you manage your storage and keep your gallery organized. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings to access your app's configuration options. In the Settings section, locate the Media option and tap on it. You will see various media settings here. Finally, find the Save to Gallery option and turn it off. This will prevent Viber from automatically saving incoming photos and videos to your phone gallery. By following these steps, you can keep your gallery clean and only save the media that you want. It also helps in managing storage space on your device. Remember, you can always manually save specific photos or videos from Viber if needed.